Phasalo Hatseo Wngnani Thangwi Tongo Eastern, Northeastern and Northern region ni Thansa Saktharmung by June Regional Rail Language Conference. Pandao Manjaknai Hakotor Home Minister Amit Shah, Sangrongsalo kaisa Kokthum panda Khlaijaknani kokno Sakha Ministry of Home Affairs Official Language Department Secretary. Phasalo Haponi International Fairground of Khlaijaknani Thangwi Tongo panda. Arshani Pandao Hakotor Home Minister Amit Shah no Karibu Manjaknai. Hastini Montrokra Professor Amit Shah no Khoboi de Kubanatong Rock.
Press is the fourth pillar of democracy. आप लोग आए हैं तो जो भी हम काम करना चाह रहे हैं उसमें हमें बहुत आपका सहयोग मिलेगा और I convey my sincere thanks. मैं आप बहुत आभारी हूँ कि आप लोग आए इतने बड़ी संख्या में। सबसे पहले मैं आपको इसका रेफरेंस दे दूँ कि what is it all about. So you may be knowing that as per Article 343 of the Indian Constitution, Hindi has been identified as the official language of the country, and its lipi will be Devanagari. What do we mean by that? We mean that the work in central government offices, be it the PSUs, ministries or banks, it should be done in Hindi. But the constitution makers were very much aware of the diverse conditions of India, and they did not impose any penalty if Hindi was not used. तो हिंदी का जो प्रयोग है वो प्रेरणा और प्रोत्साहन से है, इसमें कोई दंड का प्रावधान नहीं है। हमारे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स थे बहुत उनकी दूरगामी सोच थी, और यदि आप आर्टिकल 344 से 351 तक पढ़ेंगे तो हिंदी के साथ साथ सभी रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस के लिए भी उन्होंने ध्यान रखा, जहां आर्टिकल 351 ये कहता है कि यह संघ का कर्तव्य होगा कि वो हिंदी भाषा का विकास करे और जो भारत की कॉम्पोजिट कल्चर है उसमें अभिव्यक्ति का माध्यम बने, परंतु साथ ही साथ उन्होंने अन्य क्षेत्रीय भाषाओं के विकास की भी बात की। उन्होंने एक सिटीजन को ये राइट दिया कि वो अपनी मदर टंग में, अपनी मातृभाषा में अपना ग्रीवांस सरकार के सामने रख सकता है। इसमें किसी भाषा की वजह से कोई उसको दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए। तो अब तक जो मैंने कहा है बेसिकली दैट आवर कंट्री इज अ डाइवर्स कंट्री विद मेनी कल्चर्स, but there is unity in diversity, and that was recognized by the Constituent Assembly also, Baba Saheb Ambedkar also, and care was taken in the Constitution to see that all languages of India are given their due importance and that government takes steps for their development. Right. Now coming to the present situation, as you know, for development of Hindi and for progressive use of Hindi in the state government offices, various steps were taken by the central government. Training institutes were started, translators were given to each ministry, because that time most of the work was being carried out in English, and now the conferences that we hold tomorrow also, it is going to be a house full. In Gandhinagar we had the last conference where 10,000 officers attended. So this is the way we propose to move, and Tripura has been a wonderful stop in our, not stop, what should I say, destination in our journey. The journey will continue. Tripura is very beautiful. and its culture is very unique. It has so many good places to visit. So, in fact, I have requested Chief Secretary yesterday that you should advertise more, perhaps. Puna Koti and Chal Mahal and and people are so nice and it is so neat and clean. No pollution. I mean, it's beautiful. So I thank the state administration once again, and it is the support that we have received from the state administration is marvelous. So I want to place on record my thanks to the Chief Secretary and his very able team for all the facilitations that they have given to us, and we feel like we are in our home only. So any other questions you would like to ask, please feel free.
Madam, this is Home Minister, you are the other meeting.
आपके ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब रहेंगे, then उनको तो दे देना चाहिए था. Then our 3 MPs, honorable MPs, East, West and Rajya Sabha, उनके नाम ठीक से आप दे देंगे? हाँ, so they will be there. Then, as HM always wants, we should have experts on the dais. So we have identified 2 experts. One is Madam Jamatia. She is, I think, well known to everyone. And one is Mr. Philip from Nagaland. So he is also an expert on Hindi. So they will also be giving their views there. How many?
Total officials.
See, we could have invited more, but the maximum that capacity that we got was around 2,500. So still more than 3,000 people are expected from all over India. I know people are coming from Ladakh, from Chandigarh, from south, deep south. So 3,000 from our side, then from state also I am sure many people would like to attend. This is Purva, Purvottar and North. But being Tripura and the kind of support that we are getting from the state, so we thought that let everyone join. Because Tripura we want to also showcase our Northeast. So people who have not got an opportunity to come to this side, so we thought this will be a very good time to invite. No, Assam तो आसाम ही हो गया ना. So
Rajakhor Agulio Nishimi Amit Kokthum Chini Khorang.